Hello, Romina is here and welcome to Pixi Dust Design channel. I want to share a new tutorial. I will create festival Christmas tag with Hexagon and Ornament and Hexamalphite dye. The idea is to combine these two dye and create project, giving you an idea how to mix them and create a lot of projects. I'm not going to show how to put together Santa, the gingerbread man, and the penguin or the raider, because I think it's so pretty simple to assemble this figure with the die. Instead, I will show you some example using the picture of the packaging, which show the finished design. Sorry again, it's been a while since I lost speak English. Please, if you have any question, leave them in the comments. I will find the way to respond to later. Adding some Google eyes to the gingerbread man and Santa figure, because I think it's add a touch of fun and joy. It's also a cute detail that make this figure perfect to give and gift, special to little one. I will show you all dyes I'm using so you can get the idea how to combine different dyes from the brands, which are perfect for any type of project. If you like to get this dye along with the paper from Pixi Dust Designs, you will find the link to the store in the description box below. I highly recommend checking it out, as there are many beautiful items to create your projects. I'm really sure you will fall in love with the brand just as much I have. I will be assembling all the parts that I die cut from the Pixi Dust Design paper collection. These papers are from the Christmas collection and they are absolutely beautiful. They have a perfect design for the holiday or for any event, and they can be adapted since they include Pixi pattern. I will add in each die cut element to the tag using this paper and die from the collection. I am also using dimensional tape to add a volume to the tag, creating a sort of embossing effect between the die cut and the tag. I will put in together a tag with the die cut. One bit one is quickly, simply to follow, so I will let you enjoy the process with some music. For the sentiment on my tag, I will be die cut the first several times and staking them on top of each other to create dimensional effect. This way will help the sentiment stand out along with the die cut such as Santa, the penguin and other. I will be attaching in the top, leaving a space to a rainbow, which can use for a gift or I don't know, maybe for the Christmas tree or for any type the project do you want. So, this is the project I have prepared for you today. Remember that all the product links are in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the project. I invite you to follow us on the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.